Welcome to Property, your one-stop solution for managing your rental properties. In this video, we will show you how Property can transform property management and listings for you with ease. Once your app has been downloaded and you have registered as a user, you can add your property and link your tenants. To add a property, click on this button. A new screen will open up where you can input property details. You shall select the correct property type, which will create different property cards for you. You can now add all the necessary details required. We have added different property types to showcase how each card will look. Your property is all set. Now let's add a tenant. Click on the three dots on the card and then click Add Tenant. Fill in the tenant's information like name and number. Guess what? Tenants will be reminded of the due date automatically via WhatsApp and app notifications, reducing your load and increasing payment turnaround time. As you can see here, any other additional information you will fill in below will be shown to tenants on their app, which will help them know what property and bank details to send their payment for. And voila, your property and tenants are now live. Now let's move on to some cool features we have to make life easier. Automatic property listing. This will help you broadcast and list your vacant property to nearby brokers and dealers with a single click. Payment confirmation. All payment confirmations from your tenants will be visible here. Track your maintenance. All maintenance and repair request tickets opened by tenants will be visible here according to priorities. You can add comments to tickets, resolve tickets, or even snooze repair request reminders. Generate reports. To generate a report, click on Reports, select Property, and select a period. The generated report will be emailed to you in an instant. And we're done. Simple, isn't it? Download now.